I've been exploring the Mob Meal Planner app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the same. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of this mobile app. Mob is a meal planning and recipes app aimed at home cooks who want quick, stress-free ideas for weeknight dinners, breakfasts, and packed lunches with the option to batch cook and plan ahead. It focuses on simple, reliable recipes created by in-house chefs, with features like pre-built weekly meal plans, a smart shopping list organized by supermarket aisle, and the ability to search by ingredients you already have at home, which makes everyday planning and supermarket trips feel more organized and less last-minute. You can adjust portion sizes for many recipes, see nutritional information, and follow step-by-step instructions while keeping your screen awake, so it suits busy people who still want to cook from scratch. Users generally rate the app highly, with a strong average rating and praise for tasty results, money-saving potential compared with recipe boxes, and the sense of freedom to buy your own ingredients instead of relying on pre-packed kits. However, it is not without flaws. Some reviewers mention missing features compared with the website, such as certain videos or a dedicated cooking mode, occasional ambiguity in ingredient lists, and a subscription for full access that may not appeal to more casual cooks. There are also requests for small usability improvements, like changing portion sizes across an entire plan in one go rather than recipe by recipe, and the app continues to rely on updates to iron out bugs and expand functionality. From a trust angle, it is run by a known food brand and offers clear links to its privacy policy and terms, which can reassure users who are cautious about how their data is handled, although it still collects usage and diagnostic data as many modern apps do. Overall, if you value structured meal plans, approachable but interesting recipes, and a smoother way to plan shopping and cooking each week, Mob is a solid choice, but you should be comfortable with a subscription model and accept that a few website-style extras and refinements are still a work in progress. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on the heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.